Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Slack account permanently. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Slack to deactivate or permanently delete your account and what each option means so you can choose confidently. Start in the Slack desktop app or in a browser, signed into the workspace where you want to remove your account. From any channel view, look to the bottom left of the screen and select your profile picture or name. This opens your profile preview. Next, select Profile to expand the full profile panel so you can access more options related to your account. In the top corner of that profile panel, you'll see a three-dot menu. Open that menu to reveal additional actions, then choose Account Settings. Slack will open your account page in your web browser. On that page, make sure you're on the Settings tab. If you don't land there automatically, click Settings at the top to bring up the correct section for account changes. Now scroll down the page. Near the bottom, you'll find the area dedicated to closing your account. This is where Slack presents two distinct options: deactivation and deletion. It's important to understand the difference before you proceed. Deactivating your account immediately signs you out and prevents future access to that workspace. Your messages and files typically remain visible to others according to the workspace's retention settings, but your profile will appear inactive. This option is useful if you simply need to leave the workspace or step away without erasing your personal account data. Deleting your account is permanent for that workspace and cannot be undone. This removes your account from the workspace and eliminates your personal account data associated with it. Content visibility can vary based on workspace policies, but deletion is designed to fully remove your account presence. Because of its final nature, take a moment to review anything you might want to keep, such as files you uploaded, and consider any compliance or record-keeping needs your organization might have. When you're ready, select either Deactivate or Delete and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm your identity and acknowledge the consequences before Slack completes the action. If the delete option isn't available, it may be restricted by your organization, in which case you'll need help from a workspace owner or admin. That's it. You opened your profile, accessed account settings, went to settings in your browser, scrolled down, and chose to deactivate or permanently delete your account. Take a final moment to ensure you're working in the correct workspace, then proceed with confidence.